How to use Amora for free. So here's Amora app, a hint of your soulmate. You can see in here, this is the app. And there is a possibility to use some, not all, but some of these features in this app for free. Super easy. So the main feature in here is that you can just discover your soulmate image, but this cannot be used for free. You need to pay $10 per week. But you can use for free insights. If you tap in top right, you see some insights which you can completely use for free. Just get insights, select a card, for example, and then you can just pay for it with insights, with your moons. And these moons you can get for free. How to get them for free? Tap on them in top left. And then basically, or just tap in here in top right, scroll down, get free coins. And then you can see I've already got 186 moons for free in here. It's crazy. How you can get it? The easiest way for you is just copy my code 6C3EYT. Just copy this code and then just tap to the code in here and tap to redeem it. So that's kind of the idea. You can and then you're getting 3 coins. And when you create your account, share your code on TikTok, create TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts, reels with your code. And look, for example, I have already 200 coins because I just created a YouTube video with it. And then I have 200 coins for free already. It's crazy. The value is, it's not like $100, but almost like $50 value of this 201 moons which you can get. So, and then you can just use some of the parts of the app completely free with these moons. So yeah, just create your account, use my code, and then just create bunch of videos, kind of like free Amora free coins on TikTok. Just publish them on TikTok and you will get free coins.